Okay, so this tutorial is going to be about how to mount these two ISO files virtually using a program called Alcohol 52%. And this way we don't have to, burn these onto CDs. We can save those CDs and we can just get started, with just our computer. So first off, we're going to want to download a program called Alcohol 52%. So I'm going to Google that and go down to the CNET download right here. Click that, and there's going to be a green button on the side. Right here, you click this download button, and you should get a download. Yeah. So you download that program, and then install it. Installation's pretty simple. And once you have that, you just double click it and wait a few seconds because it's trial. So you wait. And press OK. So we have already mounted our two ISO files right here. These two. And first off, you're going to want to start with the standard disk. You right click that, and then there's an option at the top called Mount on Device. So you follow that. You click it, and then it's going to ask you if you want to install or run, and then you click on Run Auto Run EXE. You can see it's starting up. So you start with step 1. So step 1 pretty much is asking for this other ISO file right here. So you click that. It's going to ask you to insert the disk. At this point, you mount the prerequisite file. And run. And then now that you've clicked run, you press OK. And it's setting it up. And since I already installed it, it's going to ask me if I want to update it. It's pretty much the same button. So it's going to install it, update it, same deal. And we'll wait for that. Okay, now that that's finished, press done. And you go on to step 2. So it's going to ask for the standard disk, pretty much. It's the one that we just booted off of. So you take this second disk, standard, mount. Again, you click run. And now that it's running, you press OK. Okay, it's setting it up. We'll wait for that to finish. Okay, so unfortunately I already installed this and I don't want to uninstall it, but we'll just go with repair, reinstall. And it's going to take you through the same steps that I went through first time I did it. Okay, we're still installing. It's probably going to take you about 5 minutes, and so you just sit back and let the computer do its thing. Alright, so I don't know how this is on your operating system, but in Windows 7 we run across this compatibility issues dialog box, and you just ignore that. You just click run program, and so it finished installing it. And pretty much you just skip steps 3 and 4. So you can press exit. And now you're going to go down and find it. So you just type in Visual Studio. So what we're looking for is Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2003. We find that, we click on it. Again, this dialog box. You could even click don't show this message again and it won't bother you. And 1 second. So as you can see, our runtime environment is up and running, and it's all working. And I forgot to mention, if you guys don't know where to find the 2 ISO files in order to do what we just described in this video, you're going to want to go to the PCC website, and you go down to Login Online Classes. It's going to take you to Blackboard, and right here you're going to put in your ID number, and then you'll put in your PIN as the password. Log in. And you're going to click on this course. And then you'll go to Resources, and then you'll find your Disk 1 and your prerequisite CD here, and those are the 2 ISOs I was showing you earlier, ISO files. And additionally, you'll find a burner program. Oh, also you need the serial number right here. You're going to need that. You're going to need that when it's going to ask you for it. Sorry, I couldn't show you, but you're going to need that, and then that's where you get that. And so this burner program, it looks to be homebrewed, but basically what it does is it'll allow you to do what we just described here with physical CDs. So you're going to be able to burn those CDs and then run those CDs just like you would any normal like computer software that you buy from the store. So after you make that with this burner program, then you can just install it that way. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm sorry, sorry I couldn't be more accurate, I guess, with the tutorial. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm here to help. So, yeah, thanks for watching.